There's a good chance your device is unknowingly hosting a malware Airbnb, some shady software that quietly checked in, unpacked its files, and is now just chilling. Spying, stealing, or spamming rent-free. All because you downloaded HD's Spider-Man, No Way Home, or clicked on some sketchy pop-up. Let's break down the most common types of malware, what they do, how they sneak in, and which one might already be living in your system. And yeah, one of them pretends to be your antivirus, so stick around for that one. A virus is a malicious program that attaches itself to a clean file and spreads when that file runs. It can infect documents, apps, or even your operating system. Think of it like digital rabies. You open one infected file, and your whole folder starts foaming at the mouth. But viruses need you to do something. The next one doesn't wait for an invitation. Worms don't need help to spread. They self-replicate and slither across networks on their own. No clicks, no downloads, just an unpatched vulnerability, and suddenly your office, your school, or your Wi-Fi router is infested. It's malware with a built-in travel plan. Trojans are tricksters. They look like useful programs, maybe a cool app or an installer, but hidden inside is malware waiting to strike. Speaking of watching you, let's talk spyware. Spyware does exactly what it sounds like. It watches your activity, records your keystrokes, and monitors your browser history, all without asking. It's like giving your laptop eyes and ears, but they report back to someone else. Adware bombards you with unwanted ads, banners, pop-ups, fake toolbars, and redirect spam. Annoying, but often overlooked. Some adware also tracks your behavior and sells your data. Ransomware is the stuff of IT nightmares. It locks your files, encrypts them, and demands payment to get them back. Click the wrong email attachment, and boom, your photos, documents, and backups are now digital hostages. And no, paying doesn't always get your stuff back. Rootkits give hackers deep access to your system and let them hide in plain sight. They embed themselves into your operating system, making them incredibly hard to detect or remove. Keyloggers record every single keystroke, passwords, credit card numbers, private messages, all captured in real time. They don't crash your system or show flashy pop-ups. They just quietly watch you type and leak everything. And next, the one that pretends to protect you while actually infecting you. Rogue security software is a fake antivirus that is, ironically, malware itself. It tricks you into thinking your system is infected, then urges you to pay for a fake, full version to clean it. It's like a firefighter lighting your house on fire, then asking for a tip to put it out. It doesn't rely on traditional files at all. Instead, it runs in your computer's memory using built-in tools like PowerShell. There's nothing to scan, nothing obvious to delete. It's like a digital ghost that leaves no fingerprints. For more no-fluff, straight-to-the-point cybersecurity content, hit that subscribe button. Stay safe, stay smart, and maybe skip that next HD movie download.